Hey guys, I'm going to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. I hope that this gives you a little bit of peace of mind. Don't worry about those negative people. Don't worry about those people that say anything negative about you. Don't worry about what those people um what they do. Just don't worry about it. When you sit around and worry about it and think about it, it's just going to eat you up. So there's going to be people that love you, and there's people that's going to like you, and there's some people that is not going to like you at all. It's just a part of life. I've never been able to understand why some people love you and they'll be so kind and loving towards you, and some people like you, just you can tell they like you. But there's some people that just don't like you for any reason at all, and you don't know why. In one of my videos a long time ago, I had mentioned about this person that was treated me very unfairly and did not treat me right. And I could never figure out why they didn't like me because I didn't know of anything that I have done towards them. It really ate me up. It really just, I was young. I was, I thought, what have I done? And I really tried so hard to be their friend. But everything I did, it acted like it more irritated them than anything else. So after a long time of working with this person, and the day that I decided to move on with my own business and start in business for myself, I went up to that person and I said her name, and I said, "Why don't you like me?" And her reaction to me was, "I don't know, I just don't." Yeah, that has stayed with me in probably this might sound funny, but in a positive way, because I knew I didn't do anything to her. She just didn't like me. She didn't like the way I laughed. She didn't like the way I dressed. She didn't like my makeup. She didn't like my hair. She did not like me. Many years later, I saw her. Oh, I did not mention this. After she said that, you're probably thinking, what did you say? I said to her, "Oh, I'm thankful that I have not done anything towards you for you to not like me. And I will pray for you." It just came out of my mouth. It just came out of my mouth. So, back to the story. I saw her many years later. She was sitting in front of me at, I better not say, anyway, she was sitting in front of me. And I touched her on her shoulder because I was behind her. And I said, "Hey, how are you?" When she saw me, she acted like she loved me to death, that she missed seeing me, like she didn't ever remember all those years how mean she was to me. Unkind. I guess that's a better word. But you know what? I embraced it. So don't worry about those people that don't like you or are unkind to you. They'll come around someday, and if they don't, you've not lost anything. You just be yourself. You love one another. You love you, and it'll show out. Eventually, that person, if they're having a problem with you, they'll realize, this is not high school. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And I love you. And I'm sending you that hug. Don't you just love the wet head? Until tomorrow. I love you.